Hello everyone, it's Lucas from Altus. Today, we are going to learn how to change the IP address of the PLC on Master Tool for the Nexto Xpress series. This may become necessary when the PLC needs to fit into an existing network. So, the first step is to notice that we are already running the application, logged into the PLC. We must put the CPU to stop. Then click on Online and then log out. Now we can use the tool called Easy Connection, up here. It will scan the devices on our network. Already found the PLC, select the device. This is the current IP address. Now, we can change the IP to, for example, 192.168.15.3. Let's keep our gateway. Select Apply and confirm the new setting. At this moment the PLC will restart to assume the new settings. We can go to Device. This section will show us the old IP address still active. But, from that moment on it is no longer valid. Let's wait a few seconds to remap our gateway and find the device with its new IP address. Double-click our gateway and the device should be found with the new IP address. So, this was our 12th lesson for Nexto Xpress series. Don't forget to follow Altus channels on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks everyone, see you next time.